And here is a look from the Dakota Magic Casino webcam, part of our Storm Team Skycam network. We do have a breeze out there, but for the most part, driving conditions not too bad. At Hector, it's 25 degrees thanks to that wind at 10 miles per hour straight out of the north. Feels like 15, so a little bit on the wind chilly side. Those north winds, cooling temperatures, but we are still, at least from the Red River and points off to the west, above average for this time of the year. Look at Thief River Falls, 12 there. Flip those numbers around for Fergus Falls. It's 21 for you, 28 this hour in Sisseton and Gwinner. Here's a bank of clouds showing up through the Red River Valley, northeast North Dakota, and some areas reporting reduced visibility thanks to fog. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows that stays stapled this evening. Thanks to that low deck of clouds, temperatures slow to fall in the areas to the west, but in western Minnesota, you can see temperatures falling fairly quickly. In fact, by daybreak out there, we'll have a few in single digits in north central Minnesota. Temperatures to start your morning not far from where they are right now in the FM area and points to the west in the 20s. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, our wind will be light and it'll shift directions, become a little bit more southerly, and that'll warm things up ahead of our next weather-making system. For the lunch hour, most of us warming up a little bit, but not too much. As we head into the evening, there will be a shot at some 30-degree weather down to the south, and temperatures near 20 to 25 up north of Highway 2. Notice that by the afternoon drive home, a band of snow could be developing. Some mixed precipitation from Bismarck and points south will be possible. So Friday, late day travel westbound, look for some slick conditions in some spots. This is going to be a light dose of snow that'll make its way toward the valley as we head toward the late evening hours. Insignificant snowfall amounts from that. More on that in a second. 19 to start your day, ramping up to 30 in the afternoon. The best chance of any flaky weather here in Fargo will be after bedtime. Here's the system surging out on Saturday through northwest Minnesota. Then behind it, northwest winds take over. I'm thinking a trace to an inch of snow in our southern counties. Up north of Highway 2, some getting as much as 3 inches of snow, so it will cause some slippery roads, but by and large, a pretty unimpactful snow event. Rick capturing a great shot of the flag and the colorful skies at Cormorant, Minnesota. Thanks for taking the time to upload your photo. Saturday, we talked about the snow and the wind. Temperatures still near 30 degrees, and then we see temperatures fall into the 20s as we go through Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. It's the system after that could bring some very heavy snow. In fact, this is a big storm system that exits the Rockies, moves up towards the Great Lakes. One model, the European model, says, yes, impactful here in the valley, mainly our southern counties. The American model says, well, not so much, mainly far to the south. We're going to keep our eyes on that, but just know if you're traveling, our southern counties could be impacted by a significant snow producer.